Welcome, friends, to a transformative journey using the incredible power of prayer. Today, we are delving into the depths of this ancient practice, uncovering its secrets and exploring the exact process that allows us to manifest anything our hearts desire. Prayer has long been recognized as a profound tool for connecting with the divine, igniting our manifestation abilities, and creating positive change in our lives. But how do we truly harness its power? What is the secret behind mastering this sacred art? In this enlightening video, we will guide you through the precise process of prayer, step by step, so that you can unlock its full potential and manifest your deepest desires. We will demystify the misconceptions surrounding prayer, offering practical techniques and invaluable insights that will empower you to co-create your reality with the divine. Together, we will explore how to align our intentions, thoughts, and emotions in perfect harmony with the universe. We will examine the significance of faith, belief, and gratitude in amplifying our prayer's potency. Through ancient wisdom and modern understanding, we will bridge the gap between the spiritual and the practical, making this ancient practice accessible and effective for all. Imagine the possibilities that lie before you once you've tapped into the true power of prayer. Whether you seek abundance, love, healing, or guidance, the divine is eagerly waiting to align with your intentions and bring forth miraculous outcomes. No longer shall prayer be a mysterious ritual conducted in uncertainty. Today we embark on a path of enlightenment, unraveling the precise process that allows us to manifest anything our hearts desire through the power of prayer. So, my friends, join us on this awe-inspiring journey as we dive deep into the transformative world of prayer. Together, we will unlock the secrets, unleash our manifestation potential, and open the doors to a life filled with boundless blessings and infinite possibilities. If you are ready to step into your divine co-creative power and take your manifestation abilities to new heights, then this is the video for you. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos, where we'll share more insights, techniques, and inspiration to support your spiritual growth and manifestation journey. Get ready to witness the profound and miraculous shifts that occur when we tap into the true power of prayer. Welcome to a world where anything is possible. Welcome to a life of manifestation mastery through the exact process of prayer. Let's begin this transformative journey together. Have you ever wished that you could unlock the power of prayer to manifest your deepest desires? With Neville Goddard's process, you can. Manifesting your deepest desires is possible through the process of imagination and feeling, according to Neville Goddard. The power of prayer, used alongside this process, can help unlock your potential for manifesting your dreams into reality. To begin, it is important to find a quiet space where you can relax and focus your attention with all of your senses involved. Visualize the desired outcome as if it has already occurred by engaging in imaginative imagery while feeling the emotions associated with already having what you desire in place. Entering a state akin to sleep can help access the subconscious mind more easily, allowing impressions of desire to take root and manifest in reality. During this state, affirmations can be used to reinforce intentions by repeating a defining statement with conviction and belief while feeling the emotions associated with already having what is desired occurring in life. Repeat these affirmations often until they become ingrained within you as part of your belief system about yourself or something connected to that belief system, such as money or love being accessible and abundant in life. Carrying these feelings into daily life will further aid in materializing desire by acting as though it is already present or tangible in your worldview or mindset. For example, if you desire increased wealth, imagine yourself living comfortably within financial means that reflect this goal, as well as incorporate activities into your daily routine that reflect a lifestyle associated with being financially secure, such as investing wisely or spending less on certain items compared to before. By following Neville Goddard's process of imagination, combined with feeling emotion related to our deepest desires, we are able to unlock the power of prayer for manifesting our goals into reality through mental focus and guided visualization techniques that bring intention closer towards becoming tangible over time. Manifesting your desires can become a reality with the Neville Goddard method. This powerful technique is based on Neville's teachings of how to use prayer, visualization, and intention to manifest your goals, dreams, and desires. Unlock the power of prayer with Neville Goddard's process to manifest your desired outcome in life faster than ever before. The first step in Neville Goddard's method is to access a receptive state and shift your perspective so that you live from the end. This means mentally embodying the feeling of already achieving your desired outcome or goal. By doing this, you send powerful signals into the universe to attract what you desire. To manifest what you desire, engage in vivid mental imagery and associate strong emotions with them. Visualize yourself in detail, enjoying what it would be like when your wishes come true for yourself or others. Feel those feelings deeply within yourself. Consistently practice living from the end by paying attention to synchronicities, signs, and guidance that come your way. Take inspired action aligned with the manifestation process. Express gratitude for even small victories on this journey. Remind yourself daily of your desired reality through vision boards and affirmations. Operate from a place of trust and alignment. Embrace each moment, knowing that whatever arises is perfect for your present state on the path to success. Are you looking to unlock the power of prayer and manifest your dreams? Neville Goddard was also a spiritual teacher who developed a powerful technique for prayer and manifestation using I am affirmations. These affirmations, when repeated with conviction and feeling, can align oneself with their desired reality and activate the creative power within them. The key to unlocking manifestation lies in the use of these I am affirmations. It is important to focus on the present tense in these affirmations while avoiding any contradicting thoughts or statements that may undermine them. For example, if you want to manifest success in a certain area, repeating an affirmation such as I am successful could be more effective than saying will be successful. Consistent repetition of I am affirmations allows one to reinforce these beliefs into their subconscious mind, combined with unwavering faith for best results. When we persistently practice this process daily, our vibration will begin to align with our desires, which opens a doorway for manifestation. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the power of prayer and manifestation mastery. We hope that you have found inspiration and practical tools to unlock your spirituality and manifest your deepest desires through the process shared by Neville Goddard. To stay motivated and supported throughout your manifestation journey, we invite you to explore our collection of inspirational and motivational videos based on Neville Goddard's teachings. Each video is designed to uplift your spirits, deepen your understanding, and provide you with the encouragement you need to stay on track. Trust that what you ask for is on its way, and with unwavering faith, you will witness incredible results and transform your reality. Keep practicing, stay committed, and watch as your dreams unfold before your eyes. Thank you for being part of our community. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to receive regular updates and valuable insights on your manifestation journey. Together, let's create a life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Wishing you continued success on your path to manifestation mastery. Keep believing, keep manifesting, and create the life you deserve. Stay blessed and stay connected to the power of prayer. Thank you, and until next time,